In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a customizable design template using Canva and even give you a hint on how to monetize your creation by selling it on Etsy. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to open Canva. You can do this by going to Canva's website or opening the app if you have it installed on your device. Once you're in, you'll want to think about what kind of project you're working on. It could be anything from a presentation, a social media post, to a more intricate graphic design piece. Choose the format that best fits your needs and start preparing your project. Remember, Canva offers a variety of templates that you can customize to fit your own style, so feel free to explore those options as well. Once you've crafted your design, it's time to move on to the next step. Head over to the Share button, which you can typically find at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with several sharing options. Look for the one that says Template Link. This is the crucial part because this link enables others to view and edit your design template. After you've selected the Template Link option, you'll see an option to Create Template Link. Go ahead and click on this. What this does is generate a unique link for your Canva design, allowing anyone who has it to access an editable version of your template. This is a great way to ensure that your design remains personalized and usable by others, as they can make changes and adapt it for their own projects. Now, here's where things get exciting. With your template link in hand, you can actually monetize your design by selling it on a platform like Etsy. Simply list your template, and when someone makes a purchase, they will receive access to your Canva link. This way, anyone who uses the link will be able to view the template and make any necessary edits on their own. It's an excellent way to share your creativity with the world while also earning a little extra income on the side. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a customizable Canva template and found a way to potentially earn from it. This process not only showcases your design skills, but also invites others into the creative process, all while enjoying the seamless, user-friendly platform that Canva offers. Don't hesitate to explore more ways to enhance and market your designs, as there's a whole world of possibilities out there waiting for you. Thanks for watching and happy designing.